Hi everyone. Welcome to RFacts. Do you know about drones? Drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are flying vehicles that are operated remotely or autonomously. They can be controlled from the ground or by an onboard computer system. Here 25 facts about advanced drones. 1. Advanced drones are unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, that have more advanced features and capabilities than basic consumer-level drones. 2. They are often used in military, industrial, and scientific applications. 3. Advanced drones can be equipped with a variety of sensors, cameras, and other payloads for specific applications. 4. They can have longer flight times and ranges than consumer drones, allowing them to cover greater distances and operate for longer periods of time. 5. Some advanced drones are capable of flying autonomously, meaning they can navigate and perform tasks without human intervention. 5. They can be controlled remotely from a ground station or through satellite communication. 7. Advanced drones can fly at higher altitudes and in more challenging weather conditions than consumer drones. 8. They can be equipped with high-resolution cameras and other sensors for tasks such as mapping, surveying, and monitoring. 9. Some advanced drones can be used for military reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition. 10. They can be used for scientific research, including atmospheric studies and environmental monitoring. 11. Advanced drones can be used for search and rescue operations, delivering medical supplies and other critical goods to hard-to-reach locations. 12. Some advanced drones are capable of carrying out complex missions, such as delivering packages or performing inspections of industrial infrastructure. 13. They can be used in agriculture for crop monitoring, spraying, and other tasks. 14. Advanced drones can be equipped with advanced GPS systems, obstacle avoidance sensors, and other safety features. 15. They can be operated by trained pilots or through autonomous systems. 16. Some advanced drones are equipped with advanced AI and machine learning systems to enable them to make decisions based on data gathered from sensors and cameras. 17. They can be used for mapping and surveying large areas, providing detailed 3D models and terrain data. 18. Advanced drones can be used for inspection of infrastructure, including bridges, power lines, and pipelines. 19. They can be equipped with advanced communication systems for long-range communication and data transmission. 20. Some advanced drones are designed for military combat, including armed drones used for airstrikes and reconnaissance. 21. They can be used for monitoring wildlife populations and tracking animal movements. 22. Advanced drones can be used for monitoring air quality and atmospheric conditions. 23. They can be used for disaster response and relief efforts, including delivering supplies and monitoring damage. 24. Some advanced drones are equipped with advanced sensors for detecting and responding to hazardous materials and situations. 25. Advanced drones are continually evolving, with new features and capabilities being developed and integrated into new models. Thanks for watching. Subscribe please.